Hi there. In this video, we are going to cover how to automate Stripe payment notifications with Zapier. If you're managing online payments through Stripe, you know how crucial it is to stay updated on every transaction. Manually checking each payment can be time-consuming and prone to errors. But what if you could automate this entire process and ensure that you're notified instantly whenever a new payment comes in? That's exactly what we're going to explore today, using Zapier, a powerful automation tool that can seamlessly connect your Stripe account with various other applications. So, let's dive right in and see how you can set up this automation in just a few simple steps. First, head over to the Zapier website. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. You can quickly sign up using your Google account, which makes the process super convenient. For those who already have an account, simply click the Login button located in the top right corner of the homepage. You can log in using your existing credentials, or for an even quicker entry, use your Google account to log in. Once you're inside the Zapier interface, you'll find yourself on the Home section. This area provides an organized overview of all your Zaps and automation projects. Now, let's move forward and create a new Zap. To do this, locate and click on the Create button. This will guide you to the section where you can begin building your new Zap and customize it according to your needs. The next step involves identifying the Zaps section. Here, you'll notice a button labeled Trigger. This is where the magic of automation begins. By clicking on it, you're setting off the automated processes that will handle your Stripe notifications. In the search bar that appears, type in Stripe to find the app within Zapier. Once you found it, click on the Stripe option. This will open up a list of multiple triggers available under Stripe. Our focus here is to set up a trigger for a new payment. By selecting this option, you're defining which specific event in Stripe will trigger your notifications. It's now time to connect your Stripe account to Zapier. Click on Connect Stripe, and a prompt will guide you through the process. This ensures that Zapier can securely access your Stripe account. Follow the prompts carefully, click on Sign In when the Stripe account pop-up appears, and confirm the connection. This ensures a seamless integration between the two platforms. Once connected, you have the option to test your connection. Click on Test to verify that everything is set up correctly. Now that the trigger part is complete, let's move on to defining what should happen next. Click on the Action button. This step will determine what Zapier should do once a new payment is detected in your Stripe account. We want to send an email notification. Select Gmail from the list of applications. As we specify the action, choose Send Email under the Gmail integration. You may be prompted to sign into your Gmail account to authorize Zapier. This step allows it to send emails on your behalf. Don't forget to run another test to confirm that this integration is functioning as expected. Finally, when you're certain that everything is operating smoothly, it's time to bring this app to life by clicking on Publish. Your new automation will now work in real time, sending you email notifications every time there's a new payment in your Stripe account. And there you have it. You've successfully set up automatic payment notifications from Stripe using Zapier. Enjoy the efficiency this brings to your process and keep simplifying your workflow with these handy automation tools. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to automate Stripe payment notifications with Zapier. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.